Can you guys see that deer over there? It's pretty blended in. You might not be able to see it till it moves. See it? I heard something. I thought it was Eli coming back to the porch, and I stood up and looked, and I said, that's not Eli. That's too big to be Eli. I haven't seen one over there for a while. I see you. I'm no threat to you, buddy. Oh, there's Eli. There's Eli. Eli, you see that deer? They're so pretty. Deer's just enjoying the weather like everybody else. It's like 66. Supposed to get up into the 70s today. You see it, Eli? Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, there goes Carrie. Carrie's gonna go up to it. Carrie's brave. She's a no stranger. Eli's watching like, what's gonna go down? This is gonna be funny. I've seen deer and cats play together. Well, it's flipping its tail, so that's a good sign. It's like you got too close, Carrie. It took off. They usually go right up that bank right there by the old blue house, and they go across that road. This is still hiding in the bushes. I lost Carrie. There's Eli. He was just watching what we thought was about to go down. He just said, what's going on, Eli? Eli's coming. What do you see over that way? Oh, a bird. A bird right over there in that tree. Mother Nature at its finest. So what is today? Oh, today's Friday. TGIF. Gotta go walk around the park lake today. I'm tired of walking around the upper part. Go down by the lake, see what critters I can see. After the kitties come in from their enjoying the outdoors. Oh, it's back again. Oh man, it's hard to see in the sun. I just wagged its tail. Did you see that deer, buddy? Did you see it? Yeah. It's so pretty. Aww. Huh. Trying to pick it back up again. It's on the other side of the tree. Oh, there it is. See it? Oh, is it limping? No. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Oh my goodness, there's 3 of them. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, so beautiful. Huh. Hi. Hi, babies. Where Kiri went. Kiri's like, oh, that's way too many for me. Do you see them, Eli? Where are they going to go? They're going to go down the back way to the park? Lost them behind that tree. Oh, they're over in the next door neighbor's yard. Have to wait until they walk from behind that tree. Looks like they're munching on the grass. I can't believe how warm it is out here. The sun feels so good. There they go. Yeah, they're gonna go back up by the park. So do I have that zoomed in all the way? Yeah, almost. Aww. Bye, dear. See you next time. Yeah, it's Friday. What is the date? 14th? Yeah. Friday the 14th. Hey, buddy. So I haven't scrubbed this porch off yet to put my good patio furniture on it out of that shed right there. So I just put this camp chair out here for now so I could sit down and watch nature. Keep an eye on the cats. Usually I stand up though and I'll walk around. Gonna have some crocuses blooming pretty soon. Here in my tiny flower garden. The 2 rose bushes are doing really well. That's the tallest I've seen them since I've been here. It's been 2 years now. My neighbor Guy's going to do an investigation on at the old Enterprise newspaper building uptown tonight. I guess it's on. His live starts at 9. It's Ascending Paranormal. ASSENDING Paranormal. And they got you probably can't see it. They got St. Patrick's Day thing up in the window with the skeleton. Skelly. Something about St. Patrick's Day. I can't read it from here. Especially since I don't have my readers. Are you basking in the sun, buddy? Huh? Are you basking in the sunshine? Yeah, you loving it? Are you loving it? Huh? You loving that sun? Yes. You want a belly rub? No? No belly rubs? Okay. Sorry. Oh, I hear something else over there. I guess this is the months when the fox have kits. Or are they called kits? I'm not sure. When the fox have their babies. One year there was one down there underneath that pile of wood. Lots of robins too. I read that the robins don't fly south like we think they do. They just, I don't know where they go, but I always thought they migrated. But they're not a migrating bird, if that's true what I read. I think I saw it on either YouTube or Facebook, one of them. There's a lot of them in the backyard now. I didn't read the whole article, so I have no idea where they go. But I always assumed they flew south for the winter. What do you think, Eli? His eyes, they're so blue, they're sensitive to the sun. So don't make me try to look at you, Mom. Oh, my neighbor, they still getting their Meals on Wheels. That's something that Mr. T hasn't done away with yet. I don't think they're going to. People panic about that shit. Oh, she's so sweet. Yeah, 4 years from now, we'll probably be doing the same shit, right? Rosie will still be going to the 7-Eleven, getting her coffee, going to the train station, sometimes chooching, still going to Vegas. That's cool. She's going to be a grandpa. Nothing like holding your grandchild for the first time. Oh, she's going away. That's nice. Normally don't like to eavesdrop, but I couldn't help but hear. Where's your sister? Tell her to get in here. I want to go. I should have went and let you out when I got back. Huh? That's my bad. Thought about going to the mall again and walking. She still hasn't gotten that AC fixed yet at the gym. It sucks. I wanted to sweat that much, I'd walk outside. That's what I liked about walking at the mall the other day, because AC. They have mall walkers, and you can get in early before the mall opens. You go in a certain store. It used to be Sears. I don't know what it is now. I went there after it was open. And you go in and you walk, and they have on the carpet, they have like start here, and then it tells you where a mile is. It's pretty cool. The mall walkers. But I noticed, man, it's starting to become a dead mall. I hope it doesn't, but they keep raising the lease prices. Store owners were saying they just keep raising them and raising them. They can't afford to be in there. But I hope not. The theater went out. I mean, we have other theaters we can go to, but I went to that one. Oh my gosh, I took Brandon to that one. 50 years ago? Well, not 50 years ago. He'd just been born. I forget how old he was, but it was the first Star Wars movie whenever that came out. That's when I took him to his first movie, and he's loved the theater ever since. Oh, that's Eli. He went back down. Thought that was Kiri coming. If I call her, she'll come, but I'll let her enjoy some more. They've only been out here half an hour. Anyway, yeah, it was awful. It used to be, I mean, you had to dodge your way through the crowds, but now it's like, fuck, hardly anybody in there. I remember when that mall first opened, I was in high school. '70s? Yep, that's when I'd have been in high school. In the 70s. I hope it's going to be a good day today, I think. I stay busy. I need to start on the yard. I need to get these frickin' limbs down right here. I need to borrow Chet's hard hat. Eli's a jungle cat, aren't you, Eli? You a jungle cat? Huh? Is Eli the jungle cat? That rose is Sharon. It ain't long for this world. That maple tree was taking its sunshine for too long. Nobody cut it down. So I had land to cut it down, but I think it's too little too late. And then it looks like it has something. It's got that green stuff on it. I don't know what the heck that is. Maybe someone could tell me in the comments what that is. Some kind of blake or something, I don't know. Tree fungus among us. Gary! Kitty. She was right over in there going towards that deer last time I spotted her. Eli's put on some pounds over the winter. He needs to run around. Get some exercise. Huh, Eli? Yeah, noisy. I think it's a blue jay. Those things are noisy. Well, guys, I didn't intend on filming and uploading, but I saw that deer, and that turned out pretty cool, with 3 of them. But I'm gonna get off here and try to get these cats wrangled inside. Get dressed and get out the door. Enjoy this day. It's so beautiful. I might do both. I might go to the mall and then go to down by around the park lake before I come home. So yeah, if you guys like paranormal investigations, Ascending Paranormal will be on around 9 at the old Enterprise building where our newspaper was made. It's no longer in circulation. We call it the Empty Prize instead of the Enterprise. Empty Prize. It had funny police reports in it, though. It's hilarious. Cow spotted on Main Street. Red cow. I miss it, really. And if you were looking for a place to live, a house to rent, you could go stand in front of the building before they open, be the first to get the Enterprise and call and hopefully get yourself a house to rent. And had all the yard sales in it. Oh my gosh. Sister Vicky, that brings back a good memory. She'd love to go to the yard sales, and we'd get up like, a lot of them would start at 7 a.m. We'd get up and get out there before anybody else got the good stuff, and she'd circle all the ones in the Enterprise that she wanted to go to. And she never wanted to do anything by herself, so she always dragged me along, and she'd buy a bunch of shit, man. She was a collector of nothing. But that's what she loved to do. And I would buy something like, oh, there's a spatula, I can use that. I'm down to 1 spatula, or there's a nice measuring cup or something like that. Something I needed. Oh, there's a rug. There's a nice rug. But it was fun. It was so much fun. Oh, well, I better get off of here and get them wrangled. You're ready to go in, aren't you, buddy? Look at my butterfly socks. I usually don't have socks on, but it was a little chilly this morning. I've been turning the furnace off all week. But you get up in the morning and it's still a little chilly. I've been having the windows open in the house, which is nice. A little fresh air in. Yeah, go find your sister. Go find Kiri. Tell her it's time to come in. He'll do that, believe it or not. Cats are so smart. And now, I taught them they come when I whistle. I don't whistle very well. That was Pink Pony Club, in case you didn't recognize it. I love that song. Ever since I heard it at the, was it Oscars, I think she performed it? Now it's stuck in my head. So I play it and I whistle it. Neighbors probably think I'm nuts with my relationship with these cats. You guys enjoying the robins? I don't even see that little turd, Kiri. And then when she hears me and she comes, she takes forever. I should have named her Dory because she doesn't have an attention span. Very long attention span. She'll start coming towards me and she'll see something and she'll look around. And then she'll move a little bit more and she'll see something and she'll look around. It's hilarious. I guess her middle name could be Dory. Kiri Dory. But yeah, he looks out for her. He doesn't like to go in without her. I'll let him in and he'll keep going to the door. And then he'll let me know too when she's at the door. But she does the same thing with him. She'll let me know when he's at the door. She goes in first. Which is rare. He usually goes in first. I thought that was her, but no. She's like, Mom, it's so nice out here. You're going to have to wait. Like I said, that was my bags. I should have went and then let him out when I came back. Like I did the other day. Oh, so that's backwards today. Sometimes she'll go across the street. It used to be an alley. Now it's a street. In the guy's yard. Till he lets his German Shepherd out and then she comes running. All right, guys, I'm gonna jump off here. If I get my shoes on and go down the yard, they'll come too. And I'll just sometimes snatch Kiri up. Lately, though, she's just been coming and going in. I haven't had to snatch her up. So everybody have a fantastic Friday. Enjoy your weekend, wherever you are. I hope you, oh, it's her little baby. I hope you get out and about if you can. Have a fantastic Friday. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye for now.